Welcome to Flow into Alignment. Today I'm going to walk you through how to do half Sun Salutation A with a chair. For those of you that struggle with knee pain, or maybe you cannot get up and down off the floor and you wish you knew how to do Sun Salutation A. So come join me by grabbing a chair and a yoga block, get into comfy clothes, and follow along. So you do want to grab yourself a chair. It can be any kind of chair, a folding chair, a kitchen chair, whatever you have available, as long as it's a normal height chair. You don't want that high chair because it's going to be a little bit too high for you. You also do want to grab a yoga block because you do want to work on activating your core, and this will help with the block. So you're going to start first with a warm-up. Sit down on the edge of your chair, plant your feet flat. Put the block between your knees, gently squeeze the block, and you're going to feel your core activate. The core starts from your feet into your inner thighs, your adductors, your pelvic floor, and your transverse abdominis. So you're going to close your eyes or look down towards the ground. Shoulders, you can take a couple rolls to make sure that the shoulders are going to be directly over the hips. Shoulder blades gently squeeze towards the spine. Reach the top of the head towards the ceiling so you create a long, straight spine. We're going to take a couple deep breaths. In through the nose and out through the nose. Tongue is pressing to the roof of the mouth behind the teeth, creating space in the mouth and throat for your breaths. If you're wondering what your pelvic floor muscles are, those are the same muscles that you use to stop urination. So you're going to gently engage those as you're gently squeezing the block between your knees. On your next inhale, you're going to open your eyes or look up. We're going to move into cat-cow. So you're going to do some couple cat-cows to help mobilize the back. On your inhale, you're going to squeeze the shoulder blades to the spine. That will reach the chest forward and it'll help the chin lift. This is cow with your inhale. As you exhale, roll the shoulder blades away from the spine, tuck the chin and tuck the tailbone for cat. Don't sink into it. You really want to imagine that you're kind of curling over a ball. On your inhale, start with shoulder blades towards the spine. That will push the chest forward and reach the chin up. As you exhale, slide the shoulder blades away and curl over that imaginary ball. Let's take two more. Inhale. And exhale. Last time. Inhale. And exhale. Good. Let's mobilize the arms for a moment. So you're going to think about using your whole entire arm to lift it. You don't just want to use the shoulder. You want to think about reaching through the armpit, through into the elbow and into the wrist, and let that reaching help reach those arms out, bringing them up. Taking an inhale as you're reaching the arms up. Reach them up as high as you can, and as you can see, I'm activating my fingers and my hands. As you exhale, push the arms down. So you want your whole entire arm active, including your fingers and your hands. Inhale, reach through those arms. Bring them as high up as you can. Try to keep them straight. As you exhale, reach down. If your arm does not reach all the way up when straight, then just go to the point that it can go while staying straight. One last time. Inhale, arms up. Exhale, arms down. We're going to do the same thing forward. This time the thumbs are going to lead. Reach those arms and fingers. Inhale, reach those thumbs up and back, and exhale, reach them down. Again, lift them up as high as you can with keeping the arms straight. Inhale, arms up. Exhale, arms down. Last time. Inhale, arms up. Exhale, arms down. Good. Now we're not just going to stand coming out of this chair. You're actually going to activate the feet, legs, and core to help you lift up out of the chair. So you might need to kind of get yourself even more to the edge of the chair. Walk your feet a little bit more underneath your thighs. Squeeze the block And the most important thing, press your feet into the ground. This is why you practice with bare feet, so you can really feel your feet activating and pressing down. So press into your feet. Take a couple breaths to prepare the body. So press into your core, into your abdominals. And then with a deep, long inhale, you're going to reach the arms up and stand. And exhale, bring the arms down. Good. All right, so let's go ahead and start with our half sun salutation A. Keep that block between your knees to help activate your core. Press firmly into your feet. When you're standing, you want your weight a little bit more in the front of your feet. If your weight is in your heels, you're going to be using the back of the body, and you're going to be kind of leaning back. So you want to be slightly leaning forward so you can activate the front of the body. That's where you want it, because otherwise you're going to make your lower back work, and it already works too hard for you. So you want to keep these muscles from overworking. You really want to activate these. Your shoulder blades are going to be rolling and squeezing to the spine, opening the palms out forward towards the front of you. Reach the top of the head towards the ceiling. So you have a long, straight spine and good posture. On your inhale, reach your arms out and up, reaching through the arms and fingers. As you exhale, lean out and forward towards your chair. Really squeeze that block and press into your feet to help control your coming forward. You do not want to press back into your hips. Place your hands on the chair, tuck your chin, and take a deep exhale, pressing the belly button towards your spine. Good, this is forward fold. On your inhale, we're going to move into flat back. Press into your feet, squeeze the block, lift the chin, squeeze the shoulder blades to the spine for flat back. Exhale again to forward fold. One last time, flat back. Inhale, squeeze the shoulder blades to the spine, lift your chin. Exhale again to forward fold. This time we're going to inhale coming all the way up. So if you need to, bend the knees, but you want to use your legs and core. You don't want to push back in your hips. Inhale, open those arms out wide, letting the shoulder blades squeeze to the spine to help you to come all the way up. And exhale, reach those arms down. Good. Again, if you cannot reach your arms all the way up, that is okay. Just do your best, making sure the arms are straight. You really want to activate the muscles of your arms. Let's do that one more time. Inhale, reach those arms out and up. Do not press back in your hips as you exhale, folding forward, reaching for your chair. Into forward fold. Inhale, flat back, shoulder blades squeeze to the spine to help reach the chest forward and reach the chin up. Exhale, curl into forward fold, squeeze in the block, pressing into your feet and belly button to spine. Inhale, flat back, shoulder blades squeeze to the spine. Lift the chin up. Exhale, forward fold. Bend the knees if you need to. Shoulder blades squeeze to the spine as you inhale, coming all the way back up. And exhale, arms down. Good, let's do that one last time. Inhale, arms out and up. Exhale, fold forward. Inhale, flat back. Exhale, fold forward. Inhale, flat back. Exhale, fold forward. Inhale, coming all the way up. And exhale, arms down. Good. Go ahead and remove that block. And you've just completed Sun Salutation A, or half Sun Salutation A with the chair, not having to get down, up and down off the floor at all. I hope this helps you if you have any knee pain or you struggle getting up and down off the floor. What this will do is it'll help strengthen your legs. And over time, you'll be able to get up and down off the floor. So you're asking, Jocelyn, how can I get up and down off the floor if I'm trying to practice? Great question. Block between the knees, arms lifted with your inhale. Exhale, forward fold. Do the flat back with an inhale. As you exhale, curl into that forward fold, grab the block, bend the knees, place the block on your chair. Imagining that you're still squeezing the block between your knees. You're going to lift the weight off one foot, plant it down behind you. Put pressure into both feet. Very important. Your feet are so important to your strength. You're going to press into both feet as you control the lowering down. Do not press too hard into your hands. Make your legs work for you. You can always have something rolled up underneath the knees. Continue to press into this foot, and if you need to, press into the shin. And then shift the other leg down. You can practice moving the chair away from you, putting the hands down on the ground, and practicing tabletop, pressing into the fingers and fingertips, into the knuckles of the hands and the shins, so that all of the weight is out of all of your joints. Then as you inhale, coming back up, moving the chair close. Again, use your legs and feet. So you want to lead with the same leg that you finished with. So you're going to press into your right shin, reach the left leg forward, press into the left foot, curl the toes of your right leg, using your feet and your legs. Squeeze your legs together, press into your feet, come back up to standing with your inhale. Place your feet together. Take your block, put it between your knees, squeeze it firmly. As you inhale, flat back. Exhale, forward fold. Inhale, reaching the arms up, all the way up. Good. Let's go ahead and do the other side, kneeling down. Inhale, reach the arms up. Exhale, forward fold towards your chair. Inhale, flat back. Exhale, forward fold, grab the block, bend your knees, place the block on your chair. Left leg is going to step back. Place that foot back, press into both feet. You can even step that foot as far back as you need to. Press into both feet, squeeze your legs together firmly, and slowly lower down. You can continue to press into that back foot or press into the shin. Continue pressing into that left shin. Again, you can have something rolled up under the knee. Move the right leg back. And push the chair away, placing your hands down, moving into tabletop. Pressing into your fingers, knuckles of your hands, into your shins, activating your core, pressing your chest away. You can always use your block between your knees to help really activate the core here. Really, really squeezing the block, pressing your hands into the ground. To be able to come back up, you're going to inhale, place your hands on the chair, bring the chair back close to you. Press your shins into the ground, reach your right leg forward first. Curl the left toes, press into both feet, squeeze legs together, activate your core. Press firmly through your feet and legs, standing up with your inhale. Grab your block, squeeze it between your knees, exhale, forward fold. Inhale, flat back. Exhale, forward fold. Inhale, bringing those arms all the way up. And exhale, bringing them down. Good. That was great. So I hope this was helpful for you as you're continuing to strengthen your legs and get them stronger so that you can do the full Sun Salutation A. This will also apply to Sun Salutation B, which all it is, you're just moving into Warrior 1, and then Sun Salutation C, which is you're moving from Warrior 1 to Warrior 2. But the warriors I can talk about at a later time using the chair. For right now, just focus on using Sun Salutation A to strengthen your core and your legs and your feet so that you can eventually go into a chaturanga, your version of chaturanga and your version of up dog. I hope this was helpful to you, and I can't wait to see you next time.